Anyway, today's gonna be good weather. Magte 27 degrees daw ngayon. So madaming outdoors activities na pwede tayong gawin. So guys, samahan niyo po kami today. So, good morning guys. Dito naman po tayo sa Sir Dis Family YouTube channel. And of course, umagang-umaga nasa labas na ako para mailakad natin ang aso natin. Yan. Medyo hinahapo nga ako, gawa nga pataas. Kanina pa ako naglalakad ng pataas kaya medyo habol hiningan na tayo. So kung mapapansin nyo po, hindi nakatali si Willow. Yan po ang dahilan kung bakit maaga ako naglalakad. Gawa, para sigurado akong wala pang ibang tao dito sa woods. At kasi bawal na ilakad ang aso nang walang nang hindi nakatali. At nakabalik na nga ako dito sa bahay after ilakad sa Willow. Ate Macy, she don't wanna go to the church. Why? Bakit tayo pumunta sa simbahan? Macy, why do you wanna go to the church? We don't feel like it, but it's okay. It's okay, Ate Macy. We will go to the church and then after that you can do it. Alright guys, simba muna tayo kasama ng family.
I can pray in the church.
Dito may class ha.
I can pray in the church.
Alright, tapos na ang misa. Nakapagsimba na kami. Si Mami yan. Dito kami na. Banana daw uli kami. Yeah. Dito lang kami sa church na to. Yan, yan. Dami naming mga kasamang matatanda. Halos wala na nagsisimang mga kaedad namin. Puro matatanda na. Alright. Allah. Ate, it's okay, it's okay. Oh, there's a bike, watch out. Okay, let's go home. And we can still do a lot of things at home. So, yan nga kami nagsimba today. So, actually, ito yung pinakamalapit na simbahan sa amin. Yung sa harapan lang ng school ng mga bata. So, kadalasan kasi doon kami sa Filipino church nagsisimba. Kaya lang ano lang yun. Every first Sunday of the month, once a month lang. So, naghahanap talaga kami ng simbahan na pwede namin simbahan ng every Sunday. So, eto. Kahit Netherlands yung salita, medyo naintindihan naman namin. So, it's nice. Alright, uwi na muna kami. See you guys later. Kauwi lang namin galing simbahan. Napahiya ako sa anak ko. Nautusan ako. Linisin ko na daw yung kotse at maalikabok na. So, ayan. Yun ang gagawin ko ngayon. Lilinisin ko yung kotse. Sabi niya sa akin na, Daddy, you should clean the car. It's so much dust. So, guys, samahan niyo ako. Tayo maglilinis ng kotse today. Linis muna tayo dito sa back passenger seat. Tanggalin natin ito. Car. Muna natin itong mga abugot. Oh, dami nga na. Hi Ayla, Are we having lunch? Is this your lunch?
It's dessert.
Are you gonna finish all 4 eggs? She's gonna finish it. Hey guys, what are you doing, guys? Are you making a smoothie, guys? What did you put inside? What fruits is inside? Banana and a blueberry. Wow. Yeah, she's trying to be independent. Can you look at the camera and say how it tastes? It tastes good. Is that smoothie?
That's for having.
Enjoy. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, cheers. Yeah, good job. Where are you going, Ate Macy? No. Choose that clothes, yeah.
It's not full name.
Ay, and then you touch your nose. Is it? Did you? Oh. You don't touch your nose like that, ah. Oh, ayan na ang aming mga kulits. Si Willow kanina pa. Ayaw magpatalo.
Ayla, he may not play with that.
Bob is more popular.
Good job, Willow, with your toy.
Kaboom.
Look there in front of our house if there's
Willow, come on, I will bring you. Willow, out. We're not gonna get out of the house. I just gonna take a video. Come on. It's my leg. Macy, here's some. Acto yan.
I like your feet.
Doon lang yung birthday party. Okay, let's go inside. Ang panahon, ayaw namin sayangin. So, nag-decide kaming mag-drink sa labas or kumain ng ice cream. Let's go. Wala pa. Alright, dito nga kami nakarating sa Action, favorite supermarket ni Mami. Alright. Tuloy-tuloy pa din nga ang pamimili ng dalawang mahiling mag-shopping. Wala si Ate Macy.
Shopping. I'm mommy.
What did you say?
I'm mommy's shopping buddy.
You're your mother's shopping buddy. Oh my God. She said it already. I'm mommy's shopping buddy. Ay sus. Okay, tapos nang mag-shopping. So ngayon, kakain lang kami ng ice cream dun. Mag-ice cream tayo doon. Nandito nga kami sa Raffaello Ice Cream Shop. Okay. At ito nga in-order ko, pancake with ice cream, hot chocolate, and Ayla. Ay, use your fork and your spoon.
help my baby. Will help my baby.
Yummy. Kailangan mong i-spread yung whipped cream sa lahat ng part na.
We have to spread your whipped cream.
Yeah, like that. Alright. Ito ang sa akin. Si Mami, hati tayo dito niya. Ice cream, chocolate sauce, and pancake. Normally, ganito kainin to. Tatanggalin natin yan for decoration lang yan. Bukan natin yung ice cream. Yung first ball. Nalagay natin yan. Ahap. Tapos, babalik natin yung pancake. Ipisayin natin yan para kumalat sa loob. Natin ilalagay itong chocolate sauce. Tapos pag dito muna ititipot niya. Baka tulog na yan mamaya. It might drip. Ang sarap naman ang kain ng Ayla ko. Bite it directly before it drips. Are you happy now? Hey, asa yung jacket niya? Nasa kotse. Ah, okay. Alright, we're going back home. Tapos na kaming magmerienda ng waffles and pancakes. So Ate Macy's about to come home, kaya uwi na din kami. Alright guys, hope you like this video. This is Sirdi's family. Sirdi's family from Belgium. So guys, salamat po. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button para masuportahan ang aming channel. Thank you again. This is Sirdi's family. See you guys next time.